how often is the stock market up and how often is the stock market down? Well, the answer to that question is very different depending on your time frame. Looking back historically might surprise many to know that if you were to look at the daily returns, or let's just make it easy, the daily ups versus the daily downs in the market, that it's almost a flip of the coin. Over the last 90 plus years, about 53% of the days that the market's been open, the market's up. 47-ish%, it's down. So for those watching it consistently, that's enough to drive anybody crazy. Certainly if you don't have, a financial plan in place and you're not looking at it more out of curiosity, but more of, am I going to be okay? It's a really unhealthy way to think about the market. When we expand the time frame and look at monthly performance, the positivity in the market increases. If we look at months over the last 90 years, about 64% of the months the market's up, and about 37% of the time the market's down. So a little bit better there if you're just looking at those monthly statements and you're invested properly, chances are more ups than downs pretty significantly. And on a yearly basis, it becomes even brighter. About 75% of years the market's up, 25% of years it's down. If we expand to 2 years, 3, 5, and 10, then it becomes even brighter. So when you're thinking about investing and you're wondering, am I on the right path? Am I doing the right things with my money? First and foremost, it's really important to have a plan in place that appreciates and understands that you're going to deal with that volatility. And to the extent we can remove ourselves in the short term from that and focus on more important things, be that our jobs, our family, friends, all of the above, that's much more, emotionally and better focused energy than watching the ups and downs of the market, which can be very stress inducing. Because the reality is, the longer you extend that time frame, the answer to that, how much is it up and how much is it down, continues to grow to a very high percentage. So invest properly, get a plan in place. Don't be flummoxed by the volatility. It's going to happen. Expect it and embrace it, and know that you're setting yourself up, not just financially, but emotionally, to have a very good investment experience in your lifetime.